Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of WordPress. And basically in our previous classes we have seen the introduction to the dashboard and what are the different things that are present on the dashboard of WordPress. So today in this class we will be looking at how to change the appearance of our website. Okay, so by default this is the theme of our website. If suppose you want to change the theme of your website, then you just have to click on this appearance, click on themes option which is present over here, and these are some of the optional themes which are present over here. But if you want to change it to something else, then you can just search for new options, click on add new, and if you want you can even upload the theme if you have downloaded the theme from somewhere else, and if you want to use that, then you can do that by uploading it. Just click on upload, then choose your file and click on install. Okay, but as of now I won't be doing that. I will be selecting one of the template present over here. Let me see which one to choose. Okay, so I will go with this one. I will say install, and once the installation has been done I have to activate it. Okay, so now I have to activate this theme, and now if I'm just going over here and refreshing my website, this is that theme which was installed by me, and this is how it looks. If you want you can customize it, and I will show you guys exactly how to do the customization. So this is how you can change the theme of your website, and you can even customize this. I will show you how to do that in our future classes step by step. Thanks for watching.